So good evening. I just think that, too many people really don't understand this data is right here and right available. So this is civil rights data for Clark County. And it says the characteristics of the district. It says they only have like 7 alternative schools. It says they offer 47 AP programs, 242 gifted and talented programs. They have 32 magnet schools, only 8 special education programs, and 238, Title I. So then it goes through the races, and it goes through the students, and then it says we can look at discipline. Let's look at discipline. So let's look at the discipline report, shall we? This is 2017. Okay. Are we recording? Yes. It says, that this many schools get the Title I. Then it talks about the placement, talks about, kids who've been suspended, in-house suspension, whatever. It really doesn't tell you anything because it got these percentages, and that doesn't really tell. That's huge percentage though, 37% of the children. What is this? With disabilities, let's look. Oh, I'm losing it. Here we go. Where's the black? It don't tell you what color black people are. Oh, yeah, look, all the way up there, 17%. Look at that. What is this? Ooh, Lord, Hispanic. I mean, come on now. I'm trying to understand why we have a district. What is the intent behind a district, especially a large district? Oh my goodness. What do they have? Special reports? Oh, discipline reports. By district, we can look. I don't want to be there. I'll be state. Whoa, I don't want to find the state. I want to find the state specifically, Nevada. What do they really claim? Fine. Oh, look, it gives you actually, I don't know which one of these is supposed to have the worst. Let's just look at one of them. Let's look at this one. Does it tell you anything? You can click on it. It just doesn't tell you anything. You just click, and it doesn't do anything. Let's look at this. Well, I don't spend a whole lot of time here, but I do know that, in America, it's us. We're waiting on us, my people, to step up as we're being denied. And I just couldn't believe the conversation I heard today. Somehow some of the students who were in summer school caught up, but they were on sports, they were on teams, whatever, but they're not being allowed to do something because they went and made up their credits during summer or whatever, but they're still being held back. But see, that's the whole premise of oppression. People get to decide just how life affects you. And then the people who look like you don't have anything to say about it. It's insanity. Stress is what I'm feeling right now. So in the American Rescue Plan, it was all about learning loss for all the states. And who was most affected was African-American people. And then they would go and pass a bill at the Senate level, recognizing Juneteenth as a federal holiday, but yet and still at the state level, we are not invited to the table when it comes down to who's providing services to us and how we're benefiting from those services. And it's stressful to know that no matter what you say or what you do, people would try to limit your ability to share your concern. But we still have to keep on pushing on. Like, subscribe, and follow me. I'm on Anchor. I'm the Parent Empowerment Hour. And of course, this is a YouTube channel. Have a good day.